Minister of Defense Bashir Magashi don charge men of the Nigerian Navy to dey diligent as dem dey carry out their duties and make dem do am sake of national interest. Major General Magashi retired tok dis one for the passing out parade and commissioning ceremony of 156 cadets of Special Duty Pre-Commission 2022 for the Nigerian Navy College, One for Rivers State. Chief of Naval Staff Vice Admiral Awaz Zubaru Gambo, wey represent the minister, beg the newly commissioned officer make dem dey loyal and professional. E con still advise dem make dem end oil tiffy and armed robbery on top water.
I therefore urge you to apply acquired rudiments appropriately in the discharge of your duties in support of national security. Certainly, the 2023 general elections have just been concluded, but deployments at strategic locations are still in place all over the nation. Some of you will be involved in these deployments to lead troops as part of military aid to civil authority. You must be professional and avoid acts that will put the armed forces in disrepute. As the saying goes, to whom much is given, much is desired. Gentlemen, it is pertinent to state that the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, Grand Commander of the Order of the Federal Republic, demands from you the passing out of cadets, loyalty, patriotism, and unflinching support to constituted authority. At this point, it is important that I order you to desist from any act that will compel the Nigerian Navy to use the arm of the law to correct your wrongdoings. Your personal interest must never override national interest.
The cadets have gone through 6 months of very serious training. I am pleased to state without equivocation that SDPCT 2022 is properly trained and prepared for higher challenges of national security and defense, having benefited from a bespoke curriculum in tandem with our national, continental, and maritime security realities. A total of 156 cadets are being presented for Presidential Commission today. The participants are made up of 137 males and 19 female cadets of various specializations in the Nigerian Navy.
From Rivers State, Ekata Ojoiseli, TMC TV News.